Hi everyone, this is Layoke's Cuisine. I welcome you all to another edition of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Today we'll be cooking water leaf soup. These are the ingredients we have. We have dry crayfish. We have bonnet pepper with red onions. We have palm oil. We have smoked fish. We have cowhide or ponmo. We have seasoning, not chicken cubes. We have salt. We have locust bean or riro. Then this is the main ingredients of the soup, water leaf. Let's start by grinding the pepper. Stay tuned, please. I'm done grinding the pepper. It's ready to be fried now. I just poured the pepper inside the hot palm oil. This is the mixture, as you can see. It's already sizzling. So right now, we are going to add our seasoning. Just salt to taste, not too much. I'll put my not chicken cubes. Already adding it. I will add my locust bean. Then I'm going to stir it together. So let's cover it for some minutes. It's been covered for about 5 minutes now. Let's check back. Wow, it smells nice even before opening it. So what next? We are going to add our ponmo. That's the cowhide. We'll add the dry crayfish already washed. Let's stir it first. Then we can add the fish and stir everything together. You need to be here to see how it smells. It smells nice. We won't add water because it's water leaf we are cooking. So if you add too much water, it won't be too good. So let's cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. So let's check our soup. Wow, this smells so nice. Oh my god, we are missing a lot. So let's open it to check how far. Okay, so it's already frying. It's time to add our vegetable, our water leaf to be precise. Can you see? Wow, this is so good. So let's add our vegetable bit by bit because it's full. So we are adding it now gently so that it won't spill. Let me stir this first. Gently. Can you see? Oh, this is nice. Let's add the remaining. Sorry, there are some water underneath. I'm so sorry for that. So let's stir everything together. Can you see how I'm stirring it? So nice. This is something. I'm gonna remove it. Let's stir it. Can you see? See? Can you see how my fish, crayfish, the ponmo? Yes, everything is showing now. See? So beautiful. See? So what we are going to do now is to leave it for another 5 minutes. But now that we are leaving it on low heat, you understand, because it's vegetable. We don't want it to be overcooked. So we are leaving it on. I'm turning the gas down. Yes, can you see? So we'll check back in 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes already. Let's check our water leaf soup. Wow, this looks so good. It doesn't just look so good, it smells nice and it tastes good. So you can eat it with anything. You can use amala, you can use pounded yam, you can use gari, you can use anything to eat it, but it goes well with swallow. So I will show you, I will dish it out now, then show you the final product of our vegetable soup. Thank you for watching. So hi everyone, my water leaf soup is ready. You can see how it looks. It also tastes nice. The advantages of cooking this soup is, number one, is economical, it is cheap, and it is very healthy. I'm eating it with hamala. As I told you, this is my hamala here. It also looks nice. See the combination, see the combo. What a good combo. Thank you for watching this video. Like my video and please press the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.